Hello everyone, have you ever wondered how some people can effortlessly draw others towards them with their words? How they manage to sway anyone to their side in any situation? Today in this video, we are going to talk about the art of persuasion, where you will learn about some techniques that are essential not just for public speakers but for anyone who is involved in client dealings. It is crucial to present your ideas in a way that makes the listeners feel influenced. This is called persuading someone with your words. And today, this skill is more important than ever. If you want to influence your audience to captivate them, then this video is for you. I'm Divya and welcome to another informative video from Originality Academy. From the past 7 years, I have been working in the field of public speaking and communication skills as a public speaker. Both as a public speaker and through my experiences and researches, I have helped so many people to enhance their speaking style. Today I am going to share with you some techniques that I believe everyone should know. By the end of this video, you will learn about the important principles of persuasion and how to apply them. Discover how to boost confidence and authority in your speeches and presentations. You will also learn how to engage your audience and convince them from your point of view. You will also gain insights from real-life examples and practical tips on enhancing your communication skills to achieve your goals. So stick around till the end of the video and get ready to enhance your art of persuasion. Persuasion is a process of trying to convince someone of your point of view or attract them to your side. It is an important communication skill applicable in various fields, whether it is public speaking, sales, marketing, or interpersonal relationships. There are several techniques used in persuasion. Let me share with you some important ones that you can use in different situations with different people. First is logical reasoning. In this technique, we try to convince our audience using facts, data, and logics. We show them how rational and logical our standpoint is. For example, if you are trying to convince a customer to buy a car, you will need to tell them about its fuel efficiency, safety features, or warranty and show them reviews from people who have already used that car. Using such evidences can persuade them. Second important technique is emotional appeal. In this technique, we try to understand the emotions of our audience. We aim to emotionally connect with them so that they support our standpoint. For example, when discussing a social issue, we can use empathy and compassion to make our points agreeable. Another example, remember when we were kids, we used to listen to bedtime stories and we feel connected to that character. You can even create similar emotional connections by sharing personal relationships or experiences, some news stories, or even fictional tales. I hope you understand what I mean to say. Third technique is using social proofing. You can also persuade your audience. In this technique, we use examples and testimonials from other people to show our audience that our standpoint is popular and correct. Doing this enhances your credibility. A common example I see in everyday life is the fear of public speaking. If anyone says they are not afraid, it is incorrect. A study from National Institute of Mental Health reveals that approximately 75% of population experiences speech anxiety. But as I always say, if I can do it, so can you. And this study supports my claim. Now, fourth technique is a bit different. That is reciprocity. This word comes from reciprocate, means to return something in kind. In this technique, we give something to our audience expecting something in return. We offer freebies, discounts, or other propositions to get them to support our standpoint. Your reciprocation shows that you appreciate their actions and are willing to do something for them in return. It is a fundamental principle of human interaction, and it is essential for building strong relationships. It's a fantastic technique that our parents have always used without naming it, but now you need to use it to build your better connections. And lastly, fifth, crucial and very important technique is scarcity. This is like the fear of missing out, that is FOMO. In this technique, we show our audience that our standpoint or offer is limited, creating urgency and interest. Scarcity is the marketing principle. When people see that items or seats are limited, their chances of buying increases. An everyday example is seeing a long line outside a store, and generally people assume that there must be something good in there and people wait for their turn. I believe that if you use these techniques correctly, you can effectively convey your messages to an individual or a large group of audience, and to persuade them, you can use your viewpoint while getting your messages across. Out of these 5 techniques, which one have you used and observed in others? When they are using it, share your experiences with us. Personally, I use logical, emotional, and social proofing in any conversation to support my points, and I see results from them. Try using them and share your experiences. If there is a topic that you want me to make a video on, then let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, then please like it. See you soon with a very new topic. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Jai Hind.